If you're a teacher and you have assigned your students to create a page in a Google site, such as a digital portfolio, and you want to be able to easily check their content and to see if they've done the work, here is a workflow. So we are going to start in your Google Classroom. In your Google Classroom on your classwork page, you will want to make an assignment. So classwork, come to create, click assignment, and we'll just call this collect portfolio link. In your Google Classroom, there are some instructions that can make this helpful. Now, I'm going to take these instructions, I'm going to put them in the description of the YouTube video so you can just copy them if you'd like to use them. So there's a couple things that you need to make sure. Students need to always publish their site. Even if they've done the work, if they haven't hit publish, you won't have the most recent. I'm going to show that later on in this little video. They also need to be using the published site to collect the link from. So if they give you your edit page, that won't be helpful to you. There's some examples of that. And then you want them to submit it or turn it in. And as long as they do that, and anytime that they hit publish, you'll always have the most recent view. So they are going to click, what you want them to do is use this link button when they submit. And that is what they'll do. So I'm going to click assign. You can certainly set a due date, click a topic. You can do any of that you need to. So I'm going to click assign. And now let's take a look at what it is like from the student end. So on the student site, here is their site. They've been working, they've been adding some different things. So what you need to get them to do is come up and hit publish. Now, anytime that there's something new to be published, they'll get this double screen and you can see what the latest pieces are. They can check that if they want. They're going to hit publish. As a teacher, if you want to know whether they have done that, what I like to do at the end of the class is come around and have everyone click publish. If it's blank like this, that tells me that their site is up to date and they don't have any unpublished work. So that's a good check. So now what they're going to do is in the instructions, you said to go to the publish button, click the arrow and click view published site. That will take them to the website where it is published. And you can see now we don't have the edit pane. And then they're going to click here. My window isn't very big, unfortunately, but we'll see when we come back. If I was going to publish this, I'll just put it in here. You can see that this now has science at the end, so it matches my page. So this is sites.google.com, should have their name, portfolio, and that would be their published site. So they won't put it on the web page like I have. They're going to come and they're going to put that into their Google Classroom. So they would go open their Google Classroom and then they would open up their assignment, press the link, publish it, put it in there. Now, as long as they keep hitting this publish view, so I've put something new on here, you can see there's an update. Okay, as long as they keep clicking that, you will always have on your page the most recent pieces. For you, it's actually great because when you go into your student work page here, you will see as soon as they have assigned it, or as soon as they have submitted it, you will see that there's something in there. So you can tell in those tiles whether they've done it or not. So super easy way for you to keep track of whether they have done that portfolio submission or not.